women are celebrated quite a lot in Vedanta. Um, Many of the saints, of course, are women, and also Upanishadic stories talk about women in them. For instance, there is the story about a king who was renouncing his kingdom and going to the forest. And he had two wives. He left the kingdom to them. But one of the wives said to him, "You're leaving this most prosperous kingdom and going to the forest. That means there must be something more there. Tell me, what is that thing for which the kingdom seems so futile and useless that you'll be willing to leave it?" And then he tells her the Upanishad. So, showing what a deep sense of discrimination this queen had, and then she goes with him to the forest. She is also no longer interested in the kingdom. Now, most of this knowledge also is represented in the feminine form. If you notice, our goddess of learning is a goddess, Saraswati. The qualities associated with knowledge, medha, buddhi, these are all shown as feminine characteristics. These words are all feminine. The Gita itself is referred to as the Mother Gita. So lots of showing these feminine qualities in Vedanta, but equally they show the men too. It's not like one is at the expense of the other, because there's no real difference. It's quite futile to keep dividing humanity in one way or the other, and one very common way is to divide it as men and women. Of course, there are some basic differences between the two, but at the heart of it, we are all humans. We are all made of the same body, mind, intellect, and living by the self. And the more our attention goes to the self, the less we see any distinctions in all these at the level of the body, mind, or intellect.